Hi, Amber Benson here. I've seen my husband making these over the last several months, so I'm going to show you how he does it. So he fills the shaker bottle with water almost to the top. You need a little bit of room so that you still can add some ingredients. So he does the Ruvi powder, fruits and veggies, nothing else. Make sure it's all massaged out before you dump it in. We don't use any fillers. We want to keep this as clean as possible. So sometimes you have to give it a little bit of a massage. Get it all dumped in there. This, by the way, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fruits and veggies in this. That's amazing. Mostly vegetable in this one, 60%. So then he adds a scoop of protein powder. So usually a sweetened one, right? Because if you're gonna thin out Ruvi, you're kind of thinning out that flavor and that sweet. So his protein powder is sweetened. Now, if you use an unsweetened protein powder, that's okay, or maybe you don't want protein, you just want to thin it out, then maybe add a little flavor stick this one actually has some energy in it. You could also add a little bit of stevia maybe, or even just a little bit of juice in there, like maybe a half a cup of juice, and that's gonna really sweeten that up. So make sure everything's locked down. And with a fuller shaker bottle, I just kind of I swirl it around just a little bit. You can see it starting to mix, and then just give it a really good shake. This is going to be more like a meal replacement because you're getting protein in there and all of your fruits and veggies, and that's substantial, you guys. This is like a full meal. And I love that this is coconut cream with a green smoothie. That sounds delicious, doesn't it? So let's give it a try. Yeah! That is so good. You got to try it.